you. There's a tribe alive today who have never used money, never seen a traffic light, and have no word or stress. A tribe that still lives like the first humans did. Wild, free, and fiercely connected to nature. They are the Hadzabe of Tanzania, and their way of life will leave you speechless. No buildings, no alarms, no deadlines. Just earth beneath their feet, wind through the trees, and stories carried by firelight. The Hadzabe don't farm, they don't herd, they don't hoard. Each day the men rise with the sun, bows in hand, eyes scanning the horizon. They hunt not for sport, but to survive. One arrow, one chance. Miss it, they go hungry. And while they chase the hunt, the women gather life from the land. Roots, fruits, honey, and wisdom passed from mother to daughter. Midday comes with no lunch break. Only silence, shaded under a baobab tree, where time seems to pause. And here's what's wild. They have no leaders, no rules, no written laws. Yet somehow, they live in harmony. Something the modern world struggles to do. So ask yourself, who's really advanced? Us, with our machines and stress? Or them, with their peace and simplicity? At night, while we scroll, they sing. While we chase followers, they chase stars. The Hadzabe remind us that freedom isn't in having everything. It's in needing almost nothing. And if this way of life disappears, we don't just lose a tribe, we lose a piece of what it means to be human. So tell me in the comments, could you survive even one day with the Hadzabe? No phone, no fridge, just your instincts and the wild. Like if this opened your eyes, subscribe to witness more tribes, more truth, and more untold stories before they vanish forever.